There's a lot going on in the markets right now, yields being part of it. I know you want to talk about what was good in this quarter because there was a lot of upside. Also touch on the margin guidance, if you will, which did raise some eyebrows.
Hey, John, it's great to see you, and thanks for having me again. You're right. Our business accelerated across almost every metric. It was a fantastic quarter. We crossed over the 200 million revenue marker. We saw growth reaccelerate to 29% in the quarter. And we saw our dollar-based net retention, which is a great sign of expansion, improve to 121% in Q4 and over 125% in enterprise, which has been a real strength in terms of segments for us over the course of the last year, as large customers shifted from responding to the pandemic to realizing they needed a real-time digital operations management platform to manage their now almost entirely digital business. So it was a terrific quarter. We're really proud of what our team delivered. Execution has improved. And we're really excited about the fact that the long-term tailwinds for PagerDuty, digital acceleration, cloud migration, and DevOps transformation are not going away anytime soon. Our guidance really reflects some of the volatility that we've seen in the market, some of the uncertainty going forward. As you're aware, we do have some business with the small business community, which is taking a longer period of time to recover. But as COVID impacted markets like travel, hospitality, entertainment, and even transportation come back online, we see that as positive and helpful to our outlook. So, net, we're very bullish about the future.
Give some more color, if you will, on the degree to which a return to normal actually pressures your margins, though, because I think that's what your CFO was saying, that you got some savings related to COVID. You're going to invest coming out of this period, and that's going to be a bit of a hit to fiscal 22 margins?
Yeah, actually, I don't think we're returning, quote unquote, to normal. I think the new normal is going to include the complexity of hybrid work. I know our employees and most employees in the tech industry have appreciated the flexibility that they've gained in the last year, just like consumers appreciate the convenience they get from all of the digital services that have been created. So I think one of the things that we're going to see happen going forward as everybody moves to more of a hybrid working environment where some people are at home, some people are in the office, is that's going to create complexity where a platform built for digital distributed workers is going to be super helpful. So I actually think, again, that's a tailwind for PagerDuty. From a margin perspective, we're really guiding around some things that our analysts didn't have in models, like some of the costs associated with our convertible debt raise, as well as the acquisition of Rundeck, and the fact that we may see some travel expenses return. But, all in all, again, I think it's a very strong business outlook and outcome. We have very strong best-in-class gross margins at 86%, delivered cash flow positivity this over the course of the year and the quarter. So generally speaking, I feel like the business is in a great position. And given the solid performance on all of our unit economics, we feel really good about continuing to invest in go-to-market and invest in product innovation, which has really helped us distance our lead from competition.
Jennifer, I want to hear a little bit more about this new hybrid environment you see that different companies are going to be embracing as there is no new normal, or as they define what this new normal is. And I'm curious how cybersecurity threats play into that and how you're working with your customers to address fears of cybersecurity issues in light of what's gone on with Microsoft as well as SolarWinds.
Julia, that's a great question. And cyber is just a really great example of how important a rapid detection and response to any unpredictable event can be in an organization, and how challenging that is when you don't know who's in the office on Tuesdays and who's in the office on Wednesdays and who's at home. So PagerDuty was really designed for this distributed environment where we use software to automatically detect events, whether they're security events or technology events, and orchestrate them across the key owners and subject matter experts that are needed to resolve those issues very quickly, learn from them, and prevent them from happening again. So much of what we do is about prevention. And to your point, we see a lot of our customers investing heavily to put themselves in a better position, whether they're moving towards a zero trust stance from a security perspective, or they're just trying to put their operations and developer teams in a better position to prevent small events from becoming business or customer impacting issues.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.